they were happy to exchange it, so thumbs up for IKEA. Morning, guys!
Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys.
Even though it's kind of afternoon because we just got back from church, and Josiah was learning about planting seeds and growing in Jesus, and he made this adorable, oops, we're losing a little seed, but he made this adorable sunflower and talked about different things we can do and memorizing things. And so yeah, I'm hoping it will like maybe go right here on our, let's see if I can hold it back far enough so you can see. I think that'll look really cute. And because they were learning about seeds and growing, they got dirt pudding, which is just, I think, chocolate pudding with Oreos crushed on the top. But how special. What do you think?
Good.
It's yummy. Whoa, big bite.
Hey folks, how's it going? So I'm just making some of my mom's recipe, homemade. They're called torta de papas. That's what they're called. I don't know how to say them in English, sorry, but I guess you say them potato cakes, I guess. That's what you, I'm guessing that's what you call them, I guess, in English, but all I know, it's torta de papas. That's the actual word in Spanish. So, and I have to turn one up already, probably. Let's see if it's ready. Oh yeah, there it is. Yes, yes. So you want to see this golden, nice golden. If you see that, you're going on the right track. Like it's working.
So there we go. I know you're not supposed to have scrambled eggs, but Isaac did not want fried eggs, so we made scrambled eggs today. Yeah, pretty yummy.
Mommy, eat.
So when we opened this up,
Thank you, sweetie pie.
I'm not entirely sure whether it was Josiah or if it was just already there, but there's a whole bunch of scratches on the very top. This is like a little, it's kind of like a bedside table, but we use it as, in the corner, we had a dark brown one, but now we wanted a white one. And so obviously it's super annoying that the top is scratched. So I'm hoping that they'll let us give it back to them because I don't know what happened, but it's scratched. I didn't see what happened, but I have a suspicion it's this guy, but hopefully they'll still let us return it. And so we're having to run all the way down to IKEA. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but yeah. I also made gelatin gummies.
Can I?
But they're not quite set yet.
Can I have some?
They're not quite done yet, but they are setting. Yummy. This time I added some cream because I wanted to see if they'd be creamier tasting. And I did way less gelatin than last time because I was like...
Why are they hard?
Yeah, because they have to set. Gelatin takes a little bit of time to set. Okay?
Why?
It's just the way it is. Flowers are still on point.
Can I have toast?
Yeah, one of the lilies is opened. Hey guys, so I didn't realize that I brought the camera, so we didn't vlog the entire time we were at IKEA, but we got a new thing. They were happy to exchange it, so thumbs up for IKEA being awesome. No, IKEA assembly begin. Hey, are you having a good bath?
I don't want to get out. I just want to stay in my bath.
Forever?
Yeah, forever.
Well, it's bedtime, so you have to get out. Mommy's gonna wash your hair first, okay?
Why? I'm doing this.
Okay. Did you have a good bath?
I'm so cold.
Oh, it's so cold. Okay, let's go snuggle.
Why is it so cold?
Put your lotion on. Come on.
Why is it so cold? Like the lake.
Like the lake.
Oh my god.
Wow, memories of freezing cold water. That's true. That is probably the coldest thing.
Josiah, how do you remember?
That's the coldest thing you've ever experienced. So funny.
Waited for something, and something died.
What song is that?
What? Someone died.
So waited for nothing, and nothing arrived. So deepest ally, so dearest friend. I don't know the rest of the words.
Who sings that song?
The villagers. So I'll just pretend all of this. Some kind of moment, Terry bliss.
Okay, so we have his lotion.
Sign me. We need to go there this year.
Should we say goodnight to everybody?
Good night. Good night.
Buenas noches a todos.
Why is it going out?
Good night, folks.
Push the button.
That one?
Yeah. Push it. Oh, here it comes.